Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing the powder color block using tape. So a few months ago I did this design right here and I did it with an X-Acto knife. I'll leave a link to that video in the cards and in the description below. Some of the viewers were asking me if tape could be used to achieve this design. I told them yes, but it would be difficult because it's tape. Tape is very sticky, so it would make it very difficult to do. So instead of just telling y'all, I decided to do my thumb just to show you how to do it and the issues you may or may not encounter when doing it. So you saw me applying some of my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails, and I also applied 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. Now I'm applying the tape and it was a bit difficult to apply the tape. It was very sticky. So that's the first problem that would arise. But you just have to have a little patience. If you have patience, you could achieve this design very easily. So now that all the tape is on the nail, I would start my dip application. So I apply base to the nail and then I sprinkle the dip powder on my nails. There was no getting around how I applied the base. It had to touch the tape. So this was a bit uncomfortable to do, but it was doable. I did 3 layers of that as well. Then I applied activator and waited for the nails to harden. I would not advise removing the tape as soon as you're finished with your dip application because you stand a chance of ruining your nail, because it's 3 different tapes you have to remove, so it would uproot the powder if you did it like that. So I would advise that you wait until the nails are hardened and then remove the tape. So while removing the tape, the dip powder was separating from the nail bed, which was expected, but it's not the end of the world. So if that happens to you, don't panic, you can fix it. So I removed the excess by cutting it. And then I began to file the nail to get a crisp line. Then I proceeded to stick the nail back with some of the base glue. So now I'm using this beautiful glitter that I got from Revel Fall Collection. So I'm applying base on the tip area and then I dip it into the glitter. I did about 2 layers of that. Then I encapsulated the glitter first with 2 layers of clear dip powder, and then I encapsulated the whole nail with a few layers to build the nail. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nail, and now I apply my Model 1 gel top coat and I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I really liked how this came out. It makes me want to do a full set with these 2 colors, so I just might. I hope you guys liked this test that I did. What I gathered from this method is that it's way longer than the other one that I did. It's a lot messier, unpredictable, and stressful using tape. But if you have enough patience, it will work. But I'll stick to my X-Acto knife method. I just wanted to show you guys the alternative if you might be a little clumsy with the knife or you just don't want to use a knife. So whenever I do this design, I will refer to this for an easier and safer alternative for you guys. So if you like this video, check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys.